What's up, guys? This is Noel from Adrenic.com or Adrenic.net, whichever one you want to use. Today we're going to be going over the TDCM Terraria RPG client for the TDCM client mod. It's pretty cool, so we're going to do a little brief review of it today and just go over it. This isn't going to be like a traditional review I do, mostly just understanding and letting you people see how it works because I have the pre-alpha release. So we're going to Steam, we're going to launch Terraria like normal. This is the client. You can see the little T up here. We'll have another video showing you how to install it properly and all that good stuff when it comes out. So let's let it load. And here it is. Got a new splash screen. We have two of these open. We have a new splash screen. This all looks the same, apparently. So we're going to go into single player because we're just doing, this. I'm going to go ahead and start with my character that I usually use. When the full version is out, apparently you're not going to be able to use some of the features and cool stuff. Like if you go in with a person that has armor like me and all this extra stuff, you won't be able to use it yet because if you look down here in the corner, it tells you what level you are and how much experience points you have. So once you spawn, you'll see this little ghost right here. It's called the Mythic Ghost, which is pretty awesome. I guess it's a new NPC. We need to right-click him so he can talk to us. And he talks to you, and he tells you what your first quest is going to be so you can level up. It says we're going to need to craft 15 torches and a workbench. So I'm not going to lie, I'm not very good at Terraria, so I'm going to try to figure this out and find out how to craft. I know we need some wood. Okay. My inventory is full. So let's just clear out some of this inventory. Okay, let's pick up the wood. Now we have some wood. Let's get a little bit more, just to be on the safe side. There we go. So we have some wood. Let's craft a workbench table. Okay, we crafted a workbench. Now we need to kill some of these little slime balls. Alright, I got some gel. Another thing I've noticed is with the rocket boots, if you notice, I'm gonna jump and hold down my rocket boots, and I don't go that high. It's because it seems the higher level you go, the more rocket boots you can use, as well as other stuff. For example, when the full version comes out, I won't be able to use this fire pickaxe. I can do it right now because it's the pre-alpha and it's not completely ready. So I'm gonna get some of these jelly thingies. We need to craft some torches. I have 3, 6, 9. I need some more torches. I see a little gel ball. Okay, so we got another gel. So I'm going to craft some more torches. Okay, now whenever you complete it, it says congratulations, quest completed. And then down here it says congratulations, you have achieved level 1. So that looks like that's how you're going to achieve your different levels. Now I'm not sure if we need to go back and find the ghost. So let's go back and find him just in case. See if that's what we have to do. I'm playing this as a new person who would play the game because I don't know anything secret about it. I just have the release and I'm doing a video on it. Okay, so I don't know where the ghost is at. Maybe I can TP. No. Okay, so we've achieved level 1. I can use more rocket boots now. In this pre-alpha release, I don't think you can do much more. Oh, there's the ghost. That's what we needed. He's leaving. Okay. You're also going to get used to killing things. Slay 15 green slimes in one session. So I guess that'll get me to level 2. Another thing I want to point out is, you notice when I break the blocks, I get this little number above my head, 1.5. It looks like every time I hit a block. So that's your experience points. And if you look down here in the corner, you have 1279 of 2,000. Every time I break a block, I get more experience points. So it actually turns the building and crafting into experience points to up your level. So that's pretty awesome that they managed to do it. There's no aesthetic changes. I know some of y'all probably use the ADR mod and we have buttons. So maybe we can talk Death Cradle into putting some buttons in here. Or something of the sort. I don't know. Right now I'm looking for some more green slimes. So basically, it turns the game more into an RPG style rather than just grief and be griefed. And the TDCM mod is already so great at protecting houses and stopping grief that this is just going to make the game much harder to grief with, because when you go on the servers and you're not at the right level, you can't use certain weapons and building materials. So I think this has a lot of potential. Like I said, I'm on the pre-alpha release, so it's not even the alpha release. So there's obviously going to be some bugs in it. But overall, I mean, it feels like normal Terraria just with quests. I think they should add a little bit more pizzazz, because right now it's just one quest at a time. From what I understand, they are going to be letting you have different kind of characters. You can be like a paladin or a warrior. I'm not sure the exact names, but it looks pretty. It looks like it's going to be pretty awesome with being able to choose what type of fighter you want to be. And each one's going to have different. Like if I break a block as, let's say, a wizard. I'm just using fake names because I'm not sure what they're going to use. But let's say I break these blocks as a wizard, and if I'm a wizard, that group gives me 2 experience points. But if I'm a warrior, it might give me 4 experience points. So the idea they have is really cool. It looks like it's going to be, like I said before, really awesome. Let me kill this big eater. Now all they got to do is finish building it and give us more classes. I think if they have classes of different people they can be, it's going to be a big, I don't want to say selling point because it's not for sale, but a big downloadable point. Oh, a green slime. I missed him in the dark. So that's about it. I'm trying to think of anything else. And I want to make sure I get the point across is, if you're not the right level and you join a server, a TDCM server, the mod is only going to work with TDCM servers. But if you join a server with all the stuff that I have, like if I already came with rocket boots and I already have my armor on, it's not going to let you use it. You're not going to be able to join in the full release, because the whole point is to make it to where you have to level up in order to get certain features. So you can't just join a server and automatically have a sand gun or something. So it's going to be much harder to cheat, like I also said before. So it's got a lot of potential for more than just being an RPG. I can't find any more green slimes. I'm not about to dig up there. Oh, I have a... So you won't be able to use this grappling hook thing whenever you first join a server. You have to be a certain level. I don't know of all the exact levels you have to be just yet for each item, but I know you do have to be a certain level to use some of the items. But anyways, I've gone over it pretty well. You guys kind of understand what it's going to be like. I wish I could go more in depth with it, but I just don't know too much about it yet, other than the leveling system, the RPG factor, and you're going to have multiple quests for different characters. So make sure that point gets across. I don't know the exact names of each rank, but you're going to be able to start off with 3 different people. You can be like a warrior, a wizard, or a paladin or something. So it's going to be pretty cool. Expect to see the release sometime in October, so within the next couple of days, I'm sure. And if you follow the podcast for it on www.adrenic.com, you'll be able to get more up-to-date news. We'll have an eventual release date posted, if not by the time the video is done. But anyways, thanks for watching. This is the TDCM RPG mod, and this is Noel from adrenic.com.